Hello students. Good morning to all of you. I hope that all of you are well and good. Today I am going to discuss with you notice writing. Students, you know it कि what is notice writing? कि a notice is very important form of formal written communication used by individual and organization to convey information about functions, events and occasions, or to announce something that has happened or is about to happen. That means कि it is a formal written communication. Written communication, it is a formal written communication. Notice is a formal written communication. If any event take place or if any event is going to take place, so we have to write notice. So notice, notice may be for meeting, notice may be for competition, celebrations, annual sports, cultural events, etc. Notice is for lost and found. Notice for seminars, workshop, debate. Notice for appeal or warning. Notice for change of name, residence or company, etc. So firstly in the notice we have to write the format of the notice, and then comes content part, and then comes the expression part. So firstly in the format part we have to write the name of the organization, and then a word notice should be written just below it. In the center, date on the left hand side, or date must be in words, or heading or the subject before the body of the notice, and then writer's name and designation at the end of the notice. Then comes content part. In the content part we have to mention the target group, to whom it is addressed. What is the purpose of the notice? Details of the event like date, time, venue, duration, number of persons and other details. Signature, name, designation of the authority who is issuing the notice. Or at last we have to write the expression part. It relates to overall organization and relevance of the content as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency. So student, we should start with our notice. A question, I am going to write a question, then I will write the answer of the notice. So student, the question is this: you are Vandita. You are, student, we are doing it in revision work of our half-yearly exam, revision work. You are Vandita of class 12A. As the secretary of the school, as the secretary of your school, as the cultural secretary, secretary of your school, draft or notice for an inter-school dramatic competition. Inter-school dramatic competition. Okay, student. So this is our question, and we have to write the answer. In the firstly, what we need to do in the notice writing, you have to write. Firstly, make a box, and you should start with the institution name. Evergreen Senior Secondary School. Senior Secondary School. Secondary School. Haldwani. Okay, student. So firstly, you have to write the name of the institution in capital letters. You have to write the institution name, organization name, and the name of the school is given in the question paper. Next, you have to write the notice. Give one line gap, and here you should write notice. Or then, student, again give one line gap, and now write the date of the notice. That means today is 6th September. 6th September 2025. Or then again you have to write one line gap. Give one line gap. I am making this sign. Or then inter-school dramatic competition. You have to write the subject of the notice. Inter-school dramatic competition. Dramatics competition. Student, you should have to write this name in bold letters so that it could appear as a subject of the notice. Or then you have to start the body of the notice by giving one line gap. So here an inter-house dramatics competition. Competition is being organized we have to start notice with this. An inter-house dramatic competition is being organized on 12th September 2025, and at in the auditorium in our school auditorium. Those willing to take part in those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting, which our school is presenting should come for selection. Should come for selection on 8th September 2025 at 12:30 p.m. in the assembly hall. In the assembly ground. Only class 6 to 12 students are eligible. For further details, contact the undersigned. For further details, contact the